What is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I'm going to show you how do you create viral Vox style, uh, motion graphic videos that you can directly take and post on YouTube and grow your viewership. So let me show you how this video that I generated looks like, and I'm going to show you the whole process as well. All right, let's play.
You won't believe how Airbnb almost died and how Serial saved it. In 2008, Brian Chesky and Joe Gebbia were absolutely broke. Nobody was booking Airbnb. They barely had $40,000 in credit card debt, and investors kept saying no. So they did something no one saw coming. It was election season, so they designed cereal boxes, Obama O's, and Cap'n McCain's. Hand-assembled 1,000 boxes in their kitchen, sold them for $40 each. They made $30,000 in 2 weeks. That money kept Airbnb alive long enough to get into Y Combinator. Today, Airbnb is worth $80 billion, built on cereal boxes. Moral: broke founders don't need money, they need imagination.
See how cool that was? And all of this was done using actually two tools. One tool to create the whole video and one tool to write the scripts and one single prompt. So in this video, I'm going to show you the whole thing, starting from the script writing to the, the creation of the video. All right. So let us get started, and I'm going to show you this. All right. So to write the script, we're using Claude. Okay. So basically, I asked Claude, hey, create a viral Instagram Reels showing little known facts about an iPhone. But then it gave us about like iPhone technical details. I said, hey, I need something related to entrepreneurship, not iPhone tech. And then it gave me. Then I obviously gave like certain hooks, which is like 99% people don't know about blank. And then I gave like, okay, about Elon Musk, give me one. And here, the hook says, you won't believe how Airbnb almost died and how Serial saved it. So it's a pretty good hook, right? So feed in the hook and it will give you like a script. The exact prompt that we used was this, okay? So let's say right now, using this hook, which is 99% people don't know this about blank, let's say Elon Musk, we got this particular script, okay? Now, let us copy the script right here. And what we will do is, we'll do a little bit of fact check with Perplexity. I mean, this is done by Claude, but most likely, um, it should be good. A fact check on this. All right, cool. I think we can just launch it. Okay, cool. So what we will do is we'll now go to this tool called as Opus Agents. Okay. Now, Opus Agent is probably one of the best in class, video generator tool right now. And I don't think anything comes close to it. And it's very cheap as well. It costs like right now they have a crazy discount going on. And by the way, I'm one of their partners. So if you want to join in, there is a link below this particular video, which will allow you to like get started for free and get your first video done with them for absolutely free. Just try it out. It's really, really good. Okay. So what do? You come here and you just select the kind of style you want, the kind of assets you want, the kind of audio you want. So we'll go to style and select the kind of style that we are looking for. Say we are looking for blue Vox, I guess. Yeah, let's just use blue Vox-style. And then audio, you can select the kind of audio you want. I think they're using 11 labs in the backend, but you can check uh, category and select, let's say, storytelling. Okay, and just play out something.
Hello, I'm Jerome. I'm a fun, expressive.
Hi, I'm Caleb. I'm a warm conversation.
Not a lot of fun here. Let's just go to educational explainers and let's play this one.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm a captivating voice for educational.
I like this. Now you go ahead and select, by default, it's script to video. Just paste the script and you select the kind of aspect ratio you want. I selected 9:16. That's what we want for Reels. And then it will write a script for you, which is basically the script that you pasted. Just make sure that it looks a little bit conversational. So, okay, and 995. Um, let's just go ahead and confirm. Okay. It takes about 10 minutes, but it gets this stuff done, right? So this is really amazing to start off with because this is all it takes to create a video. As you can see, you saw this happening real time, right? The maximum time that you'll be taking is creating the script, fact checking the script, and then basically put it here and shoot ads. So for $19, you can very easily create 5 videos. So if you want to shoot like 30 videos, do the maths. You'll probably not need more than $100 a month. Okay. Now let's see a couple of other videos that people have created in this particular platform. So I really loved this one. You can copy the style that you want, by the way. Oh,
with a design from Michael and his team. Michael Beirut is one of the best known designers in America. You probably interact with a design from Michael and his team every day, like the Verizon V checkmark or the logo types for Yahoo and Slack. But before all that, in 1984, Michael Beirut was starting his career as a graphic designer. He was 26 years old and working at the firm founded by legendary designer Massimo Vignelli. One day, Michael was handed an assignment that seemed pretty straightforward. The International Design Center of New York had 2 events coming up, and they wanted Michael to create the invitations.
One was going to be an exhibition of what they thought of then, say, as avant-garde furniture, dramatic shaped.
you get it, right? So this is really, really engaging, and almost all the videos that they have created, like it's like so much fun. There's that MRI text to video thing.
We're about to dive deep into a scenario that's equal parts absurd
So
and
good.
horrifying.
Right? And the best part, you can actually copy any style that you like. And so basically, if I have to create this one, I'll just select this, copy style, and the style will be copied right here on the top, where you can just prompt and it will go ahead and create your video. So let's wait for our project to finish, and I'm going to show you how this will look like once it's ended. All right, it's about 10 minutes and our video is ready. Let's play.
99% of people don't know this about Elon Musk. In 1995, Elon and his brother Kimball were building their first company, Zip2. Broke. Couldn't afford an apartment, so they rented a tiny office and secretly lived inside it. They slept on the floor, one futon between 2 brothers, showered at the YMCA down the street.
Okay, I think it's a little bit of internet lag.
Ate at Jack in the Box because it was open 24/7 and cost $2 a meal. 4 years later, they sold Zip2 to Compaq for $307 million. Elon's cut? $22 million. At 27 years old, he took that money and built PayPal, then Tesla, then SpaceX. Moral: the floor you sleep on today builds the empire you own tomorrow.
Okay, pretty good. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of the script, but the editing is pretty fire, don't you agree? So all you have to do is basically download without watermark, and then you're pretty much good to go. I have actually added like 4 more on the pipeline. I'm going to put it on a YouTube channel and see how this goes. Maybe I'll keep you posted. But I went all guns blazing and bought like some 1100 credits. So I guess I'm gonna use it to its fullest, and I'll give you more tutorials of how you can use AI to create videos like this. But in the meantime, what did you think about the video? Let me know in the comments, and if you like more such videos for yourself, subscribe. Thanks.